Hello guys, what's up? Today's video I'm going to show you how to change font size in WhatsApp. Sometimes we feel my WhatsApp font size is very small or medium or large. I need to customize or I need to change that. So that go to WhatsApp app, then again click to three dot menu. From here find out setting menu and click here. Now go to chat option. Here you can see chats option and you can see multiple option. From here click to font size. You can select small, medium and large. I want to click to large option to see larger font in WhatsApp. Now you can see it's larger than before. That's it. It's a very simple tricks to change your WhatsApp font size. Thanks for watching. If you think this is helpful, then consider to like, comment, share and subscribe.